Again, I want to talk in this video about a quick update that come up with Canary 6. So as we said in the videos that you will see it next when we try to do fragment and try make a fragment access to any object in that fragment. So before what we was doing, we just say the fragment name or the view name, then we define the view by ID for that object. So now we are no longer need to do all this process. We could do exactly same as the way that we do it in the list view. You say just dot bu, then you look for bu done, and make sure to click enter, so he will import the library needed. So he import this library, and also same thing for this one. You say dot tp, okay, then wait for him, he do autocomplete, then he import the library needed. Now when you just run it, you're still getting same data. So this is just a quick update that you will see it next when you follow the video. So I just want to tell you these things get updated, and it be really nice that according to what we expect. So let me wait and see what is going on. Here we go. After a while we see the screen. If I just click again, I have to be able to still seeing same thing as we expect. So yes, this is the quick update, and hopefully it was fun, and if there is any update coming, I will add videos also. So thank you for watching, and see you next.